Imagine standing in an Apple store in 2026. You see the iPad Pro, the iPad Air, and then, tucked away in the corner, the budget iPad. For a decade, that base model was the boring choice, the one you bought for school or for your kids to watch YouTube. But something has shifted. In a move that has stunned industry analysts from Cupertino to London, Apple is about to drop a device that makes their entire mid-range lineup look obsolete. We are talking about the iPad 12th generation. This isn't just a minor refresh. This is a calculated, aggressive strike to dominate the new era of artificial intelligence. There's a reason Apple has been unusually quiet about this launch. There's a reason the supply chain in Asia is working double shifts on a device that's supposed to be entry-level. You are about to find out why the $349 iPad 12 is the most dangerous product Apple has ever released. Think about the gap that currently exists in the iPad lineup. If you want Apple Intelligence, the revolutionary AI that summarizes your emails, creates art from your sketches, and makes Siri actually useful, you have to spend at least $599 for an iPad Air or more for a Pro. But that is about to change. Apple cannot win the AI war if their most popular tablet is left behind. The iPad 11th Gen was a stopgap, but the 12th Gen is the destination. And the heart of this revolution is silicon. For weeks, a debate has raged in the tech community. Will it be the A18 or the A19? Internal manifests and leaked kernel codes from early March 2026 are pointing towards something unprecedented. Apple might be skipping a full generation of performance to put a 3-nanometer powerhouse inside a $349 chassis. Why? Because AI doesn't care about your budget. It requires raw neural power and, most importantly, memory. This brings us to the RAM wall. For years, the base iPad was choked by 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM. But Apple Intelligence has a minimum entry requirement of 8 GB. If the iPad 12 launches with anything less, it's dead on arrival. But the leaks are clear. 8 GB is the new standard. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a total shift in how we define a budget tablet. With 8 GB of RAM and a potential A19 chip, the iPad 12 will outpace the MacBook Airs of just a few years ago. But there is a catch. A massive strategic catch that Apple is using to protect its profit margins. While the brain is getting a massive upgrade, the body is staying behind. We're talking about the non-laminated display. That tiny air gap between the glass and the pixels that tech reviewers love to hate. Apple is betting that you won't care about the screen quality if the device can write your term papers and edit your 4K videos with AI. Let's look at the design because this is where the mystery deepens. The 10th and 11th Gen iPads moved to the modern, flat-edge design with the landscape camera. The iPad 12 will keep this footprint, but there are rumors of a N1 wireless chip being integrated for the first time. What is N1? It's Apple's custom-built silicon designed to handle the massive data loads of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. This means that while your screen might be an old-school LCD, your connectivity will be faster than almost any other tablet on the market. Imagine downloading a 50 GB game in seconds, or streaming high-fidelity VR content to a headset with zero latency. This is the hidden power of the iPad 12. It's a device designed